Hi everybody. What we're going to do right now is we're going to take a line that we don't know the slope of, and we're actually going to figure out what the slope is. So we're going to need a graph. So I want you to go to graph, hit OK. Now we have our graph. Now if you hit menu and you go to graph entry, and you can go down to equation if your calculator has this. Let me get that glare off of the screen. So we have equation there, and we open that. We want to graph a line, and let's say we have a line in standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. Now the equation changes. So we have 2x plus, let's say 4y is equal to 7. And we hit enter, and we have our line. Let's make sure that we can see this. We'll put this over here. So now we have our graph. Let me zoom in just a little bit more so it's a little bit clearer. Now, in order to calculate slope, I want you to hit menu again. And we are going to go down. We can go down to geometry and measurement. Now, some of you might not have geometry as an option, but you'll have the measurement as an option in the menu. Depends on what operating system you have, but find measurement. And when you open it up, you have length, area, slope, and angle. We want to calculate slope. So hit 3, and we can jump up to here, click an object to measure. Optional, move the cursor where the result should be positioned, and press enter and place the result. Well, if I want the slope of this equation, you can see it already popped up there. I'll click on that, and I'll take this slope, and I'll move it over to here, and here's our slope. We were able to calculate the slope of the equation itself. Now this is a pretty good example of how the slope never changes. I can put my cursor anywhere on this point, or I mean, not on the point, on the line. If I click enter, I'm getting the same slope every single time. Over here it's negative 0.5. 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 Slope is the same on a line no matter where you do it. And we can see that from here. So if you have an equation like this and you need to get a slope, you can get the slope in the calculator nice and easy just by graphing the line and then measuring the slope itself. And you can do that for other objects as well. You can do that for geometry, figures. You can do this for pretty much anything that you can create a segment or a line out of. So whenever you need that, there you go.